Everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fully customize the footer section of your Shopify store step by step. The footer is one of the most important parts of your store because it's visible on every page and helps your customers navigate, find policies, and connect with you on social media. Whether you want to add menu links, a newsletter sign up, social media icons, or contact information, this guide will walk you through everything. So let's get started. First things first. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard using your store credentials. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on Online Store under the Sales Channel section. From there, select Themes and you'll see your current theme listed at the top. Click the Customize button. This will open the theme editor in a new tab, which is where all the visual editing for your theme takes place. Inside the theme editor, check the menu on the left-hand side and scroll down until you see the footer section. Click on it to start customizing. Once inside the footer, you'll notice an Add Block button. Click on it and you'll see a list of available blocks such as text, menu, newsletter, social media, contact info, and more. Each block serves a different purpose, so you can choose the ones that best fit your store's needs. Let's start with the menu block. This is great for adding your store policies. Click on the menu block and it will appear in your footer section. Then, click Edit. Here, you can customize the menu items, including the labels and links. This is where you can add important pages like your refund policy, privacy policy, shipping information, or terms of service. Simply select the pages you want, add them to the menu, and they will automatically appear in your store's footer. Next, you might want to add a newsletter sign-up block. Click Add Block again, choose Newsletter, and drag it into your footer layout. Here, you can customize the text that appears, encouraging visitors to subscribe to your newsletter. Adding a newsletter sign-up is a great way to collect emails and build your marketing list. You can also add social media icons by adding a social media block. Link your store's social accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. This allows your customers to easily connect with your brand on other platforms, which increases engagement and trust. Once you've added all the desired blocks, make sure to preview your footer to ensure everything looks correct and the links are working. Then, click Save to apply your changes. Now, if you go back to your storefront, you'll see that your footer has been fully customized, including your menu links, newsletter sign-up, and social icons. You've successfully made your footer more functional, user-friendly, and professional. And that's it. Footer customization is simple but can make a big difference in your store's appearance and usability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know what Shopify tutorials you want to see next. Happy selling!